Hey folks, Vinod here. How do I take sharp pictures? Let's go. Alright, so there are a few things to remember to get sharp pictures, and they're not mutually exclusive, so you'll have to remember all of them. So we are inherently used to taking pictures like this, right, with the mobile phone. As soon as we get our DSLR, we are likely to hold it like this, okay, loosely, okay. So we need to have a firm grip on our DSLR. Let me show you how. So first thing to remember, the strap, okay, always put it around your neck. And next, how do you hold your camera? Hold your camera like this. The way you hold it is, you put your palm, above this, below this, and you hold the lens loosely, okay. This is where you'll be able to zoom in or zoom out or use the focus. The other hand should have a firm grip and the index finger near the shutter button. Okay, so this is how you hold the camera. Your arms should be tucked in, okay, and then you put it to your eye. Okay, let me show it again. The palm here like this, a firm grip here, your index finger on the shutter button or whichever is comfortable for you, and then put it to your eye. So this is how you get close to the camera, and this is how you can focus from here. The second point is choosing the focus point, and as soon as you choose the focus point and you half press the shutter button, it is going to make a beep sound, okay. So as soon as you hear the beep sound, the camera has locked the focus on that particular point where you have put the focus point, okay. So that's when you will have to release the shutter button or press it further, okay. So that is how you can ensure that the camera, wherever it has focused, it will have a sharp focus right at that focus point. The third point is shutter speed, okay. So why is shutter speed important? And in relation to shutter speed, what is there in the camera that you can remember, okay. So we have the lens, right? So the lens focal length, suppose this is a macro lens, this is 100 mm, okay. So the minimum shutter speed that you need to have to hand hold a shot is 1/100, okay. That's just a ballpark figure, okay. You just have to remember it so that you don't get any shake, okay. Even if you have like a wide angle lens, I will suggest you to have a fast enough shutter speed to get a sharper shot, okay. So remember that whatever the focal length is on fit on your camera, the lens, okay, you need to have that much of a shutter speed. So for this 100 mm lens, a minimum shutter speed of 1/100 is suggested. You can have it higher depending on the amount of light that is available to you. So shutter speed is very, very, very important for you to get a sharp focus and a sharp picture. As soon as you take the picture, all of the cameras have a zoom function, okay. So just zoom in and see whether that focus point where you have selected is sharp enough, okay. This will be about 100% zoom. So it's a good enough estimate for you to know that the image is sharp or not, okay. And also, before you release the shutter or before you press this button, make sure you're not shaking, okay. Make sure you're steady. If you want, you can hold your breath for a second, take that picture and release. In case you're taking landscape photos, okay, it is suggested that you have the camera on a steady surface, okay. You could probably have a tripod. If you have the budget, go ahead and purchase a tripod, and if you're really interested in landscapes, please go ahead and buy a good steady tripod. Otherwise, you could probably use things which are at your disposal, probably something like a parapet or your own camera bag, or you can keep it on the surface if you're taking a low angle shot. So all these things will ensure that you get a steady shot and a sharper image in the final result, okay. Alright, so these are the few points that you have to remember to take a sharp enough shot. If you have any more questions regarding this topic, please leave them in the comments below and we will be very happy to answer them for you. And until next time, see you.